Hey everyone, this video is about how to sneeze in a way that won't aggravate your lower back. You'd be surprised how many people come into the chiropractic office with low back pain that's initiated from a sneezing episode, or those people who are currently suffering with lower back pain, and if you're that person, you'll know right away what I mean. And when you sneeze, you really flare up that lower back. Now that doesn't happen to anybody and everyone with low back pain, but in particular with people with flexion intolerance, disc-related issues, which are details. You don't need to worry about those terms right now. We'll chat about them down the road. But just a certain group of people with a cause of back pain where this is going to be aggravating to them. So why sneezing bad for your back? Well, it's quite a violent motion. You just do it, bang, real quick out of the blue. Don't think about how you do it, and you tend to achoo, just violently whip yourself forward, rounding that lower back, putting a lot of compression on the discs and flaring things up. So how do you go about doing it then? When you feel a sneeze coming on, you've got to be either looking straight ahead or up. Put that elbow across your face and go achoo, and just aim out as opposed to down. So I know it's hard because it just comes out of the blue, but just the more you practice it, the more it becomes second nature, and it will save your back because you're not going to let your back round. Okay, give that a go. It's well worth the effort to change the way you sneeze. Now, one thing I was wondering is, for those of you who are finding these videos to be valuable, hopefully all of you, and would like to share some of this information with any of your friends or family, do so. Hit the forward button on your email, send it through to them. In my email, I'll make it obvious for them. There's a place there where they can subscribe themselves and they can get the weekly emails and videos, so that way they can be learning with you. And ideally, my ultimate goal here is that people end up with a stronger back and back to a life that they love. A strong back, epic life. That's what I'm about. That's what I want to do to help people out.